did Protective Charlie, working overtime on the riveting machine. When they gave her a production E, she was as proud as a girl could be. There's something true about red, white, and blue, about Rosie, the Riveter. Everyone stops to admire the scene. Rosie at work on the B-19. She's never jittery, nervous or tweetery. Rosie, the Riveter. What if she smeared her boiling breeze, doing her bit for the old Lend-Lease? She leads the gang around, they love to hang around. Rosie, the Riveter. Rosie's always buying war bonds. That girl really makes sense. Wishes she could purchase more bonds, putting all her pay into national defense. Senator Jones, who was in the know, shouted these words on the radio. Berlin will hear about, Moscow will cheer about Rosie, the Riveter. Okay, my favorite two are right here. These little guys.